Alright, so in this video, our job is to make one of these tabs as a default tab, so whenever somebody visits this page, it gets loaded. So we have some payment policies listed right at the left hand side. So if we click on each of those, different pages show up, and when I click on this bottom tab, this form is presented. So let's say that our job is to present this form whenever we visit this page. So let's say that our home directory is this page. So we always want a user to take on this page. So if they want, they can go through these payment policies. So let's say if we take a look at this source code here, we have this user UL element, which is an HTML element. So the trick is, if we have what we are controlling here is this part of the page, this UL element represents this list. So but if we click on each of those, we have different views. For the right part, it's like these parts. So if we click on this one, which is payment rules, we have like this page. So this page is created right the area of the page, excuse me, and if we click on each of those, as I've said, it takes us to different areas of the page. So again, so our job is to automatically take the user to this part of the page. But as you noticed, if we refresh, nothing shows up. So our job is to represent this page whenever we just reload this page. So let's see what we can do here. Here we have UL element, and the very first thing that we need to do is add the ID. Add an ID. So let's call it for now just my tabs, and let's say that we need to add this code, some JavaScript code right here. So it's called my tab, as I've said, and here at the bottom of the list we have this ID, payment form, and it's, as you can see, the first UL ID is right here, and the second ID is what comes after that ID, my tabs. It's the second that's inside this UL HTML element. So let's say that we just specified that ID, and as an argument for the tab function, we just wrote show. So let's save both of these pages and let's refresh. And now, as you can see, it not only highlights this part of the tab, but it also takes us to this default page. So if they want, we can let the user navigate through these pages. So that was it, guys. Pretty simple. Like this video if it was helpful, and subscribe to this channel. See you next time.